Understanding preventative coverage and how to find out what is covered on your expat health insurance policy. Since our founding in 1997 here in Gilbert, Arizona, Good Neighbor Insurance has had the privilege of serving thousands of expatriates residing outside their home country with a variety of expatriate medical insurance options. Ask Doug about Expat Medical Insurance is a series of videos providing information on how to use your expatriate insurance best for you and your family. This video will help explain what you need to know about preventative coverage and how to find what medical benefits are covered on your international expat health insurance policy. Preventative care, also known as wellness, is medical care that you receive to help prevent illness or diseases. In short, these are medical benefits to cover you for checkups and not for diagnostic purposes if you are already ill. Common physician visits and procedures that may be covered under your expat medical insurance wellness benefit. Annual physicals, annual checkups, non-diagnostic mammograms or colonoscopies, child immunizations. Good Neighbor Insurance provides a variety of expatriate medical insurance options. Here are 4 additional things to keep in mind. Some of our expat medical insurance may have a waiting period of 12 months. Others have no waiting periods and thus provide preventative services once you are active on your expatriate insurance policy. Some of our expat medical insurance options provide minimal annual preventative services, and our other expatriate insurance options cover a more robust annual preventative service. Even some of our expatriate medical insurance options provide an additional preventative coverage such as vaccinations and preventative prescription prior to your departure for your home country. Please keep in mind that all expatriate insurance policies do have a medical dollar cap on covering annual preventative services. Since expatriate medical insurance are for those residing outside one's home country, such as U.S. citizen residing outside the U.S., these international policies do not have to follow U.S. Affordable Care Act, or ACA, rules and regulations. ACA rules are for U.S. residents needing long-term, robust U.S. medical insurance. All expat insurance policies will have a summary of benefits included in the full certificate of coverage. It is important to review this summary to know the limitations of this coverage for your expatriate medical insurance. Change is always in the air, so please check our webpage for the most up-to-date information at gninsurance.com/health when it comes to your expatriate medical insurance. Have questions? We are just a phone call, email, or online chat away here in Gilbert, Arizona. We wish you and your family amazing, safe, and spectacular expat journey.